Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be storing my Baby Monster photo card collection. This is the first time that we're gonna be doing this. I did unbox a lot of merchandise for Baby Monster from their first album to their latest album, which is Drip. So I am excited. We incur a lot of photo cards already. These are the photo cards that we're gonna be storing today. And since this is the first time, I also want to show you the binder that we have. I am starting with a 1-inch binder for Baby Monster. As you can see, this is the spine. And I didn't put much effort in creating the spine because eventually we'll be moving this in a 2.5-inch binder once we have enough photo cards moving forward. And then for the cover, I really like this cover. This is from, I think, the Ziploc version of the Drip album. So once we move this to a 2.5-inch binder, I will probably just reuse this photo. Okay, uh, let me move this photo cards first, and let me show you the binder that we're working on. So typical, if you watch my other binder update, I use a 9 pocket sleeve to have the cover, and then just cut the photo in this configuration. I think it's much better than using a 1 pocket binder or 1 pocket sleeve. And then I already added a couple of 9 pocket here. By the way, I am using Ultra Pro for my binder. And then that's the first part of the binder. And then the second part will put in this photo cards, our photo cards who are not a duplicate but not part of the collection here. And then lastly, the last part or the third part is just these are the duplicate photo cards. So to save time, what I did is I already added in this binder all my duplicate photo cards. So this duplicate photo card I usually use for trading or when I do giveaways. So last night, if you attended the live giveaway for Baby Monster, I did pull some photo cards here and then I gave it away as a part of our promotion. Okay. Um we're gonna start, or I'm gonna show you the photo cards that we're gonna be working on. So these are the photo cards. Let me remove them from their box. So we have quite a few. So this is from their debut album and some merchandise from the see you there, see you there merchandise that they release. So these are the first part of the collection, and then these are some of the photo cards that we pulled from the Drip era. So we already have quite a lot here. And then lastly, we have another box here. These are, I think, the trading cards. And then we have, as mentioned, these are some of the photo cards that's not duplicate, but we're not trying to collect because these are some of the pre-order benefit or some photo card that we pulled. Okay, let's start. So let me move this photo cards on the side, and then we'll start with their debut album. So I have this photo cards for quite a while, but I don't have any motivation whatsoever just to do the binder update. So since we already have this many photo card, I decided to we'll do it right now. Okay. So after the cover, we have for the debut album Baby Monster, they did I think two version, the photo book and the YG tag. So we'll start with the photo book version. So they did have two set of photo card for the photo book version. So this is the set 1 or the photo book set A. So as per usual, what I'm doing in terms of my collection is I'm just arranging them in a page in a per age order. So that's Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. And then I don't typically leave any spaces. I do this type of things where I added let's like a label for me to remember where that photo card came from. But aside from that, I don't leave any spaces on my binder. So it's a continuation when I put all the photo cards. So by the way, for the Baby Monster first mini album, this is a random photo cards, a random pull when you buy the album. So as you can see, most collector will just put something here, but I want it to be continuous, so I'll put the next label for the selfie set B here, and then just proceed with storing the set B here. So I really enjoy collecting Baby Monster. For their debut album, I was actually hesitant first to collect them because pre-debut my bias was Ion, and unfortunately, she didn't debut at the start with the group, and then she just rejoined, and then that's when I decided to collect OP7 after Ion rejoined the group. Okay, so that's all the photo cards that we have for the photo book versions or photo book version. Next is the YG tags version. So for the YG tag, what YG did is for per version, members version, there are 3 photo cards. So these are all the labels. So you are assured to get the members photo card in their version, unlike um other version of YG tag from a previous from a different group like Treasure. If you buy, let's say, a particular member, you're not assured to get that member's photo card. So this is nice here for the YG tag. So first is this is the YG tag of Ruka. Since she is the oldest member. Okay, so by the way, let me show you the photo card. So there are 3. These are the 3 photo card for Ruka. So 1 concept and 2 selfie. Okay, and then as you can see, there's a different back. This is the concept, and then this is the selfie photo cards. By the way, I am doing this update fairly early in the day, so you might be hearing a lot of background noise. I apologize for that. I really want this binder update to be done today. So this is Paritas. Nice. Okay. So during the debut album, I don't have any or very limited pre-order benefit because I was only trying to collect the album photo cards. But as we progress, I think they're going to be a main collection or main group that I'm going to be collecting moving forward. So you might be seeing a lot of my binder update and unboxing for Baby Monster. So this is for Asa. And then these are the photo cards for Asa, the concept, and then the selfie. And as mentioned, these are the back. Nice. There you go. Oops. I already organized the photo cards so that we won't be spending much time trying to sort them out. Okay, so after Asa, we have Ion. Now I'm lost because Ion was here. I just mentioned that I already organized, but unfortunately it moved. So we have here Asa and then Ion. We'll start with the selfie. Sorry, I didn't show you the Ion's photo cards. So this is the the concept, and then we have both the selfie here. Next, we have Rami. So this is the label for Rami. And then we have all 3 YG photo card for Rami. And then we have Rora. There you go. And lastly, we have here Chiquita. Nice. There you go. Okay, so after the YG tag, since I've availed this as a bundle, I did receive some gift photo cards for this one. So this is the bundle set selfie. If you buy the bundle set, you're gonna get one selfie set and one concept photo card. So we'll start with the selfie set. So this is Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. Nice. And this is the what the back will look like. It's a signed photo card, which is really, really nice. And then part of the bundle is this one. This is the concept photo cards. They look a bit younger than they used to for this particular concept, although they are young, but wearing school uniform, they're a bit younger. By the way, this is also signed. I don't know if this is the member write this particular name, but I would assume they did. It's really cool. There you go. So that ends the photo card collection for their debut album. I didn't collect any pre-order benefit for them during that era, but I did for the drip, and I'm actually trying to backtrack if I'm gonna be if I'll be able to look for their other photo cards since basically I'm done with their drip era. Okay, after that they did like a fan meet for See You There. So I did purchase three item, the collect book, the passport, and then the PVC photo card holder. If you want to look at my unboxing of that item, that is available on my channel. So we'll start with the collect book. So this is the label that we're going to be using for the collect book. And then these are the photo cards. So what I like about the collect book is once you buy the collect book, you're automatically will be able to get all 7 members photo cards, which is nice if you're trying to collect them. If you're trying to collect OT7 like I do. You have Ion, Rami, Rami there, and then we have here Rora and Chiquita. Okay, as I mentioned, the other item that I bought was the passport. It also comes with an OT7 photo card. So these are the photo cards, which is much better than the other one because these are selfie photo cards. I would rather have selfie than concept. And by the way, these are the backs. Nice. Although I prefer the back of this one. There you go. And next we have this PVC. I only bought two, but this is random, so you only get two photo card per photo card holder. So since I bought two, I got four. Luckily, there is no duplicate. But since there are only four, I need to add some label because I don't have the other three yet. I need to find it somewhere. Hopefully, somebody's selling it via Twitter or online. So I could just buy it there. So we have the label here. And then we have here Ruka. Apology for the background noise. There are a lot of uh, cars passing by in my area. So we have there Ruka, Parita, and Asa. And then I don't have yet Ion, so we'll use a label here. I'm using their pre-debut photos as a filler. Then we have here Rami, then Rora, and then lastly we have the Chiquita photo card. Nice. Okay. So that ends that part of the merchandise. Now we'll be proceeding with the drip era. So what I really like with drip is that I don't know guys if this is the first time that it happened. Let me know. But in all the times that I've been buying and unboxing albums, this is the first time that a company release multiple set of versions. And when you buy all the set, you're gonna get all the photo cards. I didn't know that at first, so I bought a lot. That's why I did a giveaway last night for me to, just share some of the extra albums that I have. But basically, like for example, this is the first version, the Ziploc. So if you buy the Ziploc, automatically you're gonna be getting all seven members photo card, which is really really nice or very generous from YG. Typical, I have to buy uh, multiple copies of each version in order for me to get the random photo cards. But this time around, YG has been very generous with Baby Monsters fans or Monsties. They gave us complete photo card set in each of every version. So these are the photo cards for the Ziploc version. And by the way, these are the back for the Ziploc. Nice. So aside from Ziploc, they did binder. So let me get the binder. There you go. So for the binder, if you buy the binder, you're automatically getting all these photo cards. So from Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Aurora, and Chiquita. And then this are the back for the binder version. By the way, I bought my copy when I was in Korea. So I was able to purchase it with a first press. And that's going to be part of the our binder update as well today. It comes with a first press and a Weavers, the one that I got from Weavers, and then the other one is the bundle set. I think I can't remember the term, but it is a complete set of photo cards. And next is the jewel case. So for the jewel case, I thought there's gonna be a random photo card as well. No, there's only three photo cards in the jewel case, and it's a unit photo card. And if you buy it, you're gonna get all three. So we have here the unit uh, of Ion, Ruka, and Parita, and then we have here Chiquita and Asa, and then we have Rami and Rora. Nice. So as an OT7 collector, the fact that I bought multiple set, or if you are an OT7 collector, if you buy one whole set, you're gonna get all photo cards, which is really really nice. And then for the bandana version, so for bandana version, if you buy this, there are 14 photo cards, two set of photo cards, one concept and one selfie. And again, just like with other version, you're gonna get all 14 photo cards when you buy this version. Okay, so these are the photo cards, by the way, for the concept. I really hope that either they alternate the color of the back or completely just use one back. So four member are in the back, black background, and then three member in pink background. So I guess it kind of okay considering that they did four straight, and then the Macna line is on the pink background. But I do hope that they just put them in the same background color or they alternate it. There you go. And then for the other version of the bandana, the selfie version, this is my favorite version across all the version or the album photo cards. So we have here all seven. These are really really nice photo cards. I love them. Okay, so we'll start with the oldest again. By the way, when I was in Korea, I bought some sets in YG, same cafe in front of YG, and then I bought also another set in um, same Myeongdong, and both times I got a pre-order benefit, and both times I pulled Parita and Chiquita. So apparently, in terms of pre-order benefit, we always pull the Thai line. Okay, so that's it for the bandana version. Next is the YG tag. So just like with the other one, the first album, they also released a YG tag where it has three photo cards. But unlike the other one where the photo cards are random, this time it's a complete set of photo cards. So this is Ruka's version. And then these are the photo cards of Ruka. And then, by the way, these are the back for YG tag across all member. It's giving it's giving pre-order benefit vibe with this back. So we'll start. Apparently, this one everything is in selfie version, which is nice. There we go. Those are Ruka's photo cards. And then we'll proceed with Parita. So this is Parita's label. And then these are all the photo cards under Parita's YG tag. Nice. Okay. And then next we have Rora. So this is the label for Rora. And then these are the photo cards that we have for Rora. All selfie. Nice. And then for Ion, these are the three photo cards that we have. Her label. And then we have these three photo cards. Nice. And then for Rami, this is the label, and these are the photo cards of Rami. I really like the cohesiveness of how Rami poses for her photo cards. It's really nice, especially if you are standing just Rami and collecting just her. It would be so good in terms of the cohesiveness if you're gonna collect her photo cards. And then we have here Rora. So for Rora, these are the photo cards. Nice. I like this photo card a lot. And lastly, we have Chiquita. So for Chiquita, This is the label, and then these are the photo cards. Oh, we ran out of sleeves, so let me get some. I guess we could use a bunch. I don't know if how much should I put in. We'll just remove it once we're done. As I mentioned, I am using Ultra Pro for my sleeves. There you go. So those are all the album photo cards that we have. As I mentioned, since I bought multiple set, I already am complete with the drip era. Really, really nice. Next is the pre-order benefit and the some first press photo cards that we got when we purchased the albums. So first, this is the bundle set. So this is an OT7 bundle set if you buy all seven YG tag version. So I'm putting the label there. And these are the photo cards. It's actually hollow. So we have here Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. And this is what the back look like. There you go. Have here Rami, Rora, and then Chiquita. Okay. And then next is our first press. So when you buy, I guess this might be a limited time only. I'm not really sure, but since I bought one in YG, I received this first press photo card set. So all seven members as well. There you go. So we'll have the other photo cards here. And then before I found out that the albums assure you to get all members, I also ordered in Weavers, and I get a complete set of YG tag version Weavers pre-order benefit cards. So these are the photo cards. So it looked like the same concept as the bundle, just different posing from the members. So we have here Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Aurora, and then Chiquita will be on the next page. By the way, this is the back. So it indicates your Weaver shop. Again, I do apologize if you are hearing a lot of barking from some dogs of my neighbors. Okay. Uh, Next is these are some merchandise that I purchased with the drip uh, era. So I did bought two, the collect book and then the random trading card bulk pack. So we do have first the collect book here. Again, I like this type of merchandise where they provided you with a complete set. It's almost the same concept as the Weavers as well. But we know that sometimes this type of pre-order benefit, they just use multiple photo from the same concept and then reuse it as pre-order benefit, album photo cards, and some lucky draw photo cards as well. There you go. So it fits really nicely here. Next is the trading pack. So I bought the trading pack. If you haven't watched my unboxing, you might want to check that out. There are 35 photo cards to collect, and since it's a bulk pack, I was able to pull, I think, 29 out of 35, only 6 missing. That's the one that I'm looking at right now. But first, if you buy it in a bulk pack, you receive a complete set of OT7 bulk pack set. So these are the photo cards for the bulk pack set, if you are interested in purchasing it as well. And these are the backs. Nice. So while I'm putting the bulk pack OT7 set, when you purchase the bulk pack as well, there are 10 trading card pack, and then each trading card pack consists of 5 photo card, one of each version. So there is, I think, 3 concept photo cards, 1 holo, and then 1 selfie photo card. So the version A is a concept photo card. So this is the version A. So I'll show you. In that unboxing, I was able to complete version A and version E, which is the selfie photo cards. So these are the photo cards. Okay, I really like that. And then this is the back. Okay, so let's put them in this binder. Have here Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. That looks really great. Okay, next is the version B, which is also a concept photo card, but this time it's a much close-up concept photo card. So these are the photo cards that I pulled. We have Ruka, Ion, Rami, and Rora. I only pulled 4 because I pulled, I think, 5 of this photo card. So we'll just add some label or filler for those photo card that we didn't pull. So we have here Ruka, and then for this one, we don't have yet Parita's version, as well as Asa. So putting in a filler. So if you have those, please DM me or message me if you want to trade or if you want me to purchase those photo cards. And then after Ayo, we have Rami. And then Rora, we have that. And then Chiquita. Chiquita version B. There you go. So we're still missing 3 photo card for the version B. For the version C, this is the another concept photo cards. So these are the photo cards that we have. So we pulled 6. We're only missing Rami for this version. So this is version C. We have here Ruka, Parita. I think for this one, I pulled a lot of Parita. And then we have Rami. We'll put the filler for Rami here. And then Rora. And then Chiquita. Okay. For the version D, the version D is the holo photo cards. So I pulled Ruka, Parita, Asa, and then we have Ion and then Rami. So we don't have the 2 youngest, Rora and Chiquita. So we have here Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, and then we have Rora and Chiquita. Okay. And lastly, we have the version E, which is the selfie photo cards. Luckily, I did pull OT7 for this one. Also, I pulled the one that I really like. This one, this is Asa's photo card. So let's put them now in our binder. Start with Asa. Oh no, we ran out of sleeve. Let's get another one. I think just one would be enough. So we have here Parita, then we have Asa, Ion, and then Rami and Rora. And lastly, we have Chiquita. There you go. So this part now of our binder, these are some photo cards that we pulled. These are some pre-order benefit photo cards and some uh, photo cards that was not part of the actual collection, but I decided to just put it here. So these are photo cards that's not a duplicate, but not part of the OT7 collection. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on a separate part of the binder. So in the future, if I decided to collect the set, I'll be able to identify that I already have those photo cards. We have Chiquita here. Then we have these photo cards of Rami. Nice. Okay, so we do have some excess sleeve here. I'll just remove it. And then as I mentioned, I already put my duplicate photo cards here. Nice. Okay. So since this is the first time that we are doing binder update for Baby Monster, and apparently we are already quite full for the 1-inch binder. So I might have to move this already on a 2.5-inch binder. But we're gonna do a quick flip through of all the photo cards that we have on the collection. So this is during their debut era. And then these are some merchandise from their fan meet. See you there. We're still missing some photo cards here. And then this is now our drip era, all album versions. And then these are some of the first press and reverse pre-order benefit. And then these are some MD from the drip era as well, including trading cards that we're still missing. We're still missing 6. Oh no! Oh shoot! I think I messed up this one. I forgot to move it here. Oh no, I need to move everything. Okay, so I'll just do it offline. But as you can see, that's how we do our collection. There you go. And then of course, some photo cards that we're not collecting. And then some duplicate photo cards here. So if you're interested in trading, let me know. Okay, there you go. So this is my unboxing, or not unboxing, this is my binder update of Baby Monster. Hopefully we'll do this regularly. I'm so excited to purchase other albums or another album from there. So I'm waiting for their comeback. But I think there are opportunities for other pre-order benefit to collect. So we're going to be doing that. If you like this type of video, if you plan to do your Baby Monster collection as well, let me know. If you want to be part of the journey of my collection, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit that like button, and if you have any question, comment down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.